One of the strengths of Excel, of course, is the calculations it can do. So with calculations, you can always use the formulas and insert a function. It's got tons and tons, you know that, of functions you can use. But you can also, of course, write your own formulas. And so in simple spreadsheets, that's usually what we do. So let me just give you a couple of examples, and I know you already know how to do this, so it's just a review. But if I just want to add two numbers, I can just put the equal sign that starts all functions or all formulas, and then click. So if I want to add these two together, I just click, plus, click, and press enter. The same thing with subtraction, and I can come up here and change it and say now I want to subtract. The equal sign starts it, and then the operator in between. If I want to divide, you know the divide sign is just that slash, and of course the multiplication is the asterisk above the 8 on your keyboard. And then you can, of course, make more complex formulas as well. So for this example, if we want to find the gross margin or the profit or how much it's marked up, it's just going to be a simple subtraction problem. If we want to find the markup percent, we're going to take how much has been marked up, that profit, and then divide it by the cost to find out how much it's been marked up based on the cost, and that's going to be a percent. And then, of course, you can always format your results. So right-click, format the cells, tell it what kind of number it is, and then if it's a number, you can tell it how many decimal places. If it's currency, you can tell it how you want that displayed, and the same with percentages.